is a very interesting experience for the children with the small things which is nearby available, tree leaf, kind of small colors, playing with them, their excitement look when it is made actually. Such kind of experience will help them to improve themselves, and also their observing capability also getting increased by trying this kind of activities. Very good initiative for the on behalf of the AMP for this course. Thank you.
Morning. I think this was one of the most interesting workshops organized because I think the parents had more fun than the kids. That is one. And kids learned a lot of different techniques from Vinod sir and Sarita. But they also tried innovative measures themselves, which were not taught, on a regular basis. But I think it's good to have such workshops because we get to take some time out, fun time out with the children. Thank you so much for organizing this.
Thanks Vinod sir and Ames Media for organizing this workshop for us. It has actually, got us to learn about a different facet of painting altogether and how painting can be really simple. And I think all the parents and the children really enjoyed, and it's not just them, even we as facilitators, we had so fun creating our own piece of art and then displaying to everyone and working with them. We would like to learn a lot more of similar such techniques from Ames Media. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vinod.
Hi, நான் ஹோமனா ஹர்ஷலோட மதர். இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி கொடுத்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணி ஒர்க் பண்றோம் நாங்க. அவனோட கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகுது. இதுல தான் தெரியுது அவன் எந்த அளவுக்கு ஒர்க் பண்றான்றது எங்களுக்கு. அவனோட கூட சேர்ந்து நான் ஒர்க் பண்றதுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. Thank you for giving this opportunity.